Here at MHS, it's once again time to raise the curtain on the all-school play. Today we have director Mr. Martin and cast member Kit Hernandez answering some questions we have about the production. Mr. Martin, why did you choose It's a Madhouse for the play this year?
I chose It's a Madhouse for the play this year because it's very fun-loving, it's spirited, it's something that's really lighthearted, and for the end of the school year, we tend to find that those are more fun as we wrap up the school year to do. And the other reason is, the main reason, is it involves so many kids. There's 40 different characters that it could potentially be casted, and we casted about 35 different students in each of the individual roles. So it was a way to get a lot of kids involved in the production.
Sounds like it'll be fun to watch too. What kind of work goes into making a production like this?
The work that goes into putting on a play production as opposed to the musical is we, in this one, use a stationary set, kind of like a sitcom. The musical has set pieces that go on and off stage during the musical numbers, and we have blackouts, and we have all these other components working, but this one is a little bit different. This one runs more like a sitcom. So we have to have timed entrances and exits. There is no blackout, there's no transition music. It's a different experience for the kids to have to rely on their acting skills and their comedic timing to time out their entrances and exits. So it's just a little bit different skill set than the musical.
Hope all of the work on and off stage comes together. As is, how is work on the play going so far, and what are the main issues you're having?
The work on the play is going really well. The musical's a marathon, and the play's more like a sprint. It's about a 6-week production time, just because there aren't as many moving parts, but it's coming along really nicely. It's designed in such a way where we can rehearse smaller sections within each scene and have different groups kind of come in and out of rehearsal. And then by the end of a couple of weeks, we can start to put the smaller pieces together into larger pieces and start to run bigger chunks. It's going really well.
Best of luck on scheduling issues. Now, Kit, what are the rehearsals like?
Rehearsals are a lot of fun, first off, but there also can be a little bit of chaos backstage whenever we're not on, just because it's groups of people together while they're not having to work. But overall, it's going well and it's fun.
Chaos is fun, but it all builds to something. What are you most looking forward to on opening night?
On opening night, I am most looking forward to the show being over, because then we have the curtain call and then just get to go out in the comments and talk to people who watched it, especially like friends, family, just getting to talk about it and know that other people finally got to see this thing that you've been working on.
Looking forward to seeing it. The play is showing May 5th and 6th at 6 p.m. in the auditorium. We hope to see you there. I'm Mason Fletcher for M6, your hometown station.